What is up, everybody? Today I'm out here on the Juniata and I'm here with Brian from Big B Rebooted, and we're gonna go down here and see if we can get into some smallies, maybe some muskie, who knows. Brian, you ready to yeah, some smallies. Yeah. Not small fish, smallmouth bass.
We're ready to get it on.
Yeah.
We're ready to get it on.
So Brian, what is it you always say to them?
You ready to go on another fishing adventure?
Let's go chase some tail.
Let's get it.
Had a fish on and it got right back off, and now Brian's got one on. Huh, nothing. That sucks. Man, current seems usually produce.
I've had some decent ones in here. Maybe I'll call them in here.
Fish on. Oh!
Oh my goodness. That sounded like a nice one.
It was a nice one too. I'd say probably 10 or 12. I'm struggling with these hook sets today, buddy. Fish on. That's a smallie. In the boat. There we go. Yep, that's my first fish of the day. Brian is on 2. You said 2? 2. But I mean, we haven't been here very long, so that's not bad, Brian.
No, not at all. That's not bad.
There you go, buddy. Thank you. Sorry about the noise, but Brian's got a big one on.
Woo!
Oh, yeah. Yeah, buddy. That's a nice one there. Fish on. Nice little red-eye smallie. All right, buddy, here you go. Going out of there. Thank you. All right, well, this one hit too quickly for me to get the camera on in time, but there's another little smallie. Thank you, buddy. Get out of there. Fish on. That's a freaking toad.
There you go.
That was a nice breach, too.
Oh yeah. There we go.
Yeah. That's what we're talking about. That's what we're here for. Well, that and muskies, but yeah. Get the board wet. $14.25. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. That's better than those dinks we've been catching. Oh, bye, fella. Move forward 5 feet and do it again. Fish on. Another decent one.
Go.
Well, no, this one's just putting up a hell of a fight. That's all. He's mad. That's not too bad.
That's not a bad dive.
That's not bad. I like the angry ones anyway. All right, doubled up. Now we're talking.
Oh yeah.
Yes,
There we go,
sir.
guys.
Doubled up.
Doubled up. See you later, Slick.
Oh, holy shit! That is an absolute beast. My goodness. Caught me off guard just as I was getting ready to take it out of the water. Whew. Almost knocked me out of the boat. Well, I think that spinnerbait is wrecked. Oh my goodness, this thing is a tank. 17 3/4. 17 3/4.
Look at that. There you go. That's what we're here for, guys. That is what we're here for.
Yeah, buddy. That is a gorgeous fish. Let's go for the release. There you go, buddy. Get oh, he's mad. Whew. Yeah. He did. He almost made me fall over. I was just getting ready to, it was almost to the boat. I was getting ready to pull it up out of the water. He just blasted it. Yeah. I'm gonna have to do a little surgery on this. All right, well, it's just a dink. There he is. There's another one. Oh, he got off. You ain't getting off this time, fool. Yeah, that one's my PB for the day. Puny best. Little dink. Bye-bye. Dink drop.
Got him in the boat, baby. Yeah.
Nice. Oh yeah, buddy.
Sometimes you're better off not to go out there and
Well, Mapleton Park is usually a happy place for me because this is where we begin our paddling and bassing trip every year. But this time around, this marks the end of our journey. But we had a pretty good day today. We
did. We did.
caught some really nice fish, a whole bunch of decent ones, some dinks. It was a really good float. I enjoyed it. What'd you think, buddy?
Oh man, I had a blast. Had a lot of fun. It was a little bit of a slow start, but once we got going, it was good.
Yeah, once that sun come out, the bite really picked up. I really enjoyed fishing with you, buddy.
Dude, I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Anytime.
Yeah.
Anytime.
We definitely need to do it again.
Oh yeah.
For sure.
Yeah.
Well, that's going to be it for me. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please consider hitting that like and subscribe button, and I hope to see you on the next one. Oh, fuck. Uh-oh. That ain't good. That ain't good at all. Oh my God, that fucker's really in there.